How's it going, guys? Another quick little video here. So I'm going to be showing you some new LED headlights I just put in. So how my headlight is set up, I have a low beam and a high beam and then the blinker, of course. I only have LED in the low beam and I have halogen, the normal yellow light, in the high beam, and it looks kind of funny when they're both turned on. And I'll show you that in a minute or so, but I'll show you the LEDs I got. Here's the box right here. I'll put a link in the description, but they're called Sealight H11s. I got them off Amazon. There's the box right there, but I'll put them in the description so you, if anybody wants to look at them, they'll be in there. So go ahead and turn them on.
New Harley.
And that's them right there. So the color temperature on these is 6000 K. So they're just a normal white, as you can see. They look really good. But now let me turn on the high beams and show you what they look like with LED and halogen. So as you can see, you have, it's hard to see, you have the yellow right there and then the normal LED on the sides. And in the actual housing right here, it looks kind of funny because you have this you have this yellow normal light right here, then it cuts off and goes to a LED bluish white color. And I would put LED in the high beams, but I really don't want to. I tried it already. I bought a pair. They wouldn't fit. They just wouldn't work. So I'm just gonna leave them like that. I'll probably replace the halogens with some better halogens or newer ones, because those are the stock ones. They're about 3 years old, but I'll put newer halogens in there. But that's just what it looks like, and I think it looks pretty cool actually.